Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account with Trading 212. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is download the mobile app. So go to your Player App Store, search for Trading 212 and then go ahead and click on install. And now give this a few moments to download and install. Once it's downloaded and installed, go ahead and open up Trading 212. Alright, now for the first time when you open it, you're going to come to a page that looks like this: Trading 212, build wealth every day. So now we need to go ahead and open an account. So click on that button. Now choose your country of residence. I'm in Australia, so then I'm going to choose next. Now choose an account. So click on the one below. I'm going to choose the invest one. So I'm clicking on that. And now I want to put in my email, password, and then I'm going to click I accept the privacy policy. Right, once we've done that, it will say create account. So go ahead and click on create account using your email and a strong password you're going to remember easily. Also, you can allow notifications. I'm going to click on, it's going to disable these for now. Okay, click OK. Okay, now from here, it'll say start investing and it'll say set up your account. So I'm going to click on this blue icon to do this. So we need to do email verification. So click on verify button. So I'm going to go to my emails. So here it is here, verify your email. Scroll down, please verify your email address. Go ahead and click on verify email. Now redirect you back to the app. So now you've got that out the way. Now still we need to click on to set up your account. So click on that blue thing. So nationality, yep, next, Australia. Now we need to go through this process of putting in your personal details. I've already done this with my government issue ID, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to do this. So you want to put in your first name and surname, then click next. Then from here, that's going to ask you your date of birth, email address, again, phone number, residential address, tax number, identification number as well. And then also on top of this, we need to go ahead and it will ask you to verify your identity. So to comply with regulatory requirements, you need to provide proof of identity. So this can be a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and also proof of address, a recent utility bill, bank statement, and this needs to be issued within the last 3 months. And additionally, Trading 212 may request a motion selfie to verify your identity as well. It's all very straightforward. It's going to show you exactly how to do this. And then from here, we need to complete the suitability assessment. So you might need to answer some questions regarding your financial situation, employment status, and even trading experience. So what this assessment ensures that the services provided are appropriate from you. Then you need to accept the terms and conditions. Then from there, you can finally fund your account. So once your account is verified, and now this typically is within 1 business day. So from there, you can deposit funds. The minimum deposit is $1.